Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about NIO. NIO just had its NIO Day unveil. It did talk about its brand new electric vehicle sedan that will be rivaling the Tesla Model 3. Also, a lot more news on its battery charging, its battery technology, the power technology, and more. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all so you can get all my videos. Down below, I have great promotions right now running from Moomoo and Webull that can get you 5 free stocks, up to 5 free stocks. Also, if you use my link to Moomoo, you can get a potential of getting a free iPhone 13 Pro. At the end of the video, I'll give you details on how you can do this. But now let's transition and talk to you about NIO, as I have a lot of things to cover. So NIO just did have its NIO Day. Today is December 18th. And it did unveil its brand new sedan electric vehicle, which is the ET5. I will have some numbers and technical specs on its vehicle as well. But first, I did just want to give you a brief rundown as to what happened with NIO Day. And I did want to just transition and talk to you about this article from Seeking Alpha. The title of this article is NIO Unveils its New Model and talks about power at its NIO Day event, which just happened this morning. And in this article, it does talk about the main bullet points of what happened in this NIO Day event. They did unveil the ET5, which is a mid-size smart sedan. It is very similar to the ET7, but it is a lot more smaller, compact size. It will be rivaling the Tesla Model 3 as the sedan. It's also going to use the same LiDAR system that the ET7 has. And it's a very, very nice vehicle for a very, very nice price. So according to NIO Day, customers can buy the ET5 with 2 different battery packs currently. It will be selling the smaller battery pack, which is a 75 kilowatt battery pack, for about $51,000. And with the larger battery pack, 100 kilowatt version, will be about $60,550. And both of those vehicles are before any tax credits, before any government subsidies. So the Chinese government is very big on subsidizing electric vehicles, which will bring down the prices of these vehicles to a little over $35,000 for that single pack, that 75 kilowatt battery pack. So very big things for this vehicle. It will be produced in China, but it will now be produced internationally. Another very, very big important thing that NIO did talk about with NIO Day is that they will be going international. They are currently in the Chinese market. They just started last September. This September of this year, 2021, they did start in NIO Norway, and they are doing quite well there. They just have now announced that they will be going even to more countries. They will be going to the Netherlands. They will be going to Sweden and Denmark starting this year, actually in the year 2022. They will also start selling their ET7, the electric sedan. They will be starting to sell that in Germany. So very big things to say about NIO and where it is going. I do definitely think that they have a very nice product that can go international, which will drive up the stock price, in my opinion. On the other front, they did also talk about its autonomous driving. The ET5 will have the same autonomous driving as the ET7, which will have its LiDAR system. Right now, the United States, the only one that has LiDAR is Lucid Motors, but in China, it's going to be the NIO brand that will have the LiDAR system, which will help with its autonomous driving systems. Now, they did also talk about power and battery changing technology. They have now developed 3,300 destination chargers. They did also install 3,100 superchargers across China. They have also installed a lot more battery swap stations, which can switch out the battery in less than 3 minutes. So you can get a brand new fresh battery, or you can upgrade the battery size. This is the only vehicle in the world that you can actually change out the battery of the electric vehicle without having to sell your vehicle to get a bigger battery pack. So great technology, very big potential catalyst moving up for NIO and its stock. I did just want to transition and show you the new ET5 sedan. It will have a very nice range, a battery range, but this is the very nice, beautiful vehicle. I do definitely think it really resembles that of the Tesla Model 3. In my opinion, it looks really, really nice. Next, I did want to share some of the specs on the ET5, the NIO ET5. It will have a 0 to 60 in about 4.3 seconds, which is ultra fast. It will come in 3 different battery packs. They will be as follows. There will be a 75 kilowatt range, battery range, which will be producing 342 miles. The 100 kilowatt battery range will have an estimated of 435 miles. Later in the year, they will be making an ultra range battery of 150 kilowatts that can go 620 miles. This will be potentially the new king of electric vehicle range, beating out the Lucid Air, which currently has 520 miles. So very big news for NIO, very big news for the EV market as we do go on into the year 2022. Also, we will see that there are new updates to the ET7, which will be its premium sedan. It will be on order starting January 20th of next year, 2022, with deliveries being set on March 28th. So a lot of these vehicles will be starting to be delivered. The ET7, it will be the ultra premium electric vehicle. It will have a 0 to 60 in about 3.8 seconds, which will make this a very, very fast and beautiful vehicle, which will be competing against the Tesla Model S and also the Lucid Air. So very big things to come for the ET7 and for NIO next year in the year 2022. NIO does have very big plans for selling their electric vehicles in Norway, which they are doing, and also the ET7 will be sold in Germany as well. But they do have further plans for next year that they will be selling in the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark. We'll start seeing NIOs in 2022. And by the year 2025, NIO plans to expand over 25,000 countries and regions worldwide. They did not specifically say where, but I do think that they do have their eyes on the US market next, as China does have the #1 EV market, followed by Europe, and the United States is third in line. So I definitely think that NIO is being very strategic on where it is going, and I definitely think it has a very nice potential to do that. Now, NIO is a very good investment into the future, but it does have its risk. We will be talking about those risks in the next few minutes, but I did just want to show you how its stock is doing. This stock has been trading on Friday at $30. It did go as low as $28.28 in the morning hours on Friday, but we are down just for the day very slowly. In the past 5 days, we are down 11% in this stock, going from as high as $34 to as low as that $28.28, which was this past Friday. But in the past 1 month, again, we are down almost 22%, hitting only a high of $42 on November 23rd, but seeing a very, very big sell-off. We are seeing a lot of downward pressure on NIO and most specifically a lot of the Chinese stocks. This is because of the Chinese regulations, the Chinese crackdown on its companies ever since we had Evergrande, which is a large realtor in China. They are defaulting on their loans of $300 billion, which is bringing down the entire Chinese market, especially a lot of the Chinese stocks. If you go look at Chinese stocks like Alibaba, which is down quite a bit, NIO is down, XPeng is down, Li is down. All these stocks are down. We also have that fear of delisting because there is a lot of geopolitical tension going on between the United States and China. There are a lot of regulators. There is a lot of talk about delisting these Chinese companies from the stock market, and this is putting a lot of downward pressure. In my own opinion, and these are my opinions only, so please always do your own due diligence, your own research. I, in my own opinion, do not think NIO will get delisted, but there are also the backups that NIO is doing because it will be in the Hong Kong exchange. It will be adding it to there just in case they do get delisted. So definitely it does have red flags for me, but I am still very bullish on NIO. I do definitely believe in this company because of its technology. I do think that it is the only vehicle out there, only electric vehicle in the world that has the battery swap technology, that you can switch out batteries. You can upgrade batteries, get a full battery charge in less than 3 minutes in these battery swap stations, which is the only vehicle out there in the world that you can get a brand new battery without having to buy a brand new car. So definitely, I do think it has great potentials out there. I do not think, in my opinion, that NIO will be delisted or moved. But I definitely think at these price points, NIO is a good price to buy in the stock. Let me just show you how it's been doing in the past 6 months. It is down 36%. The highest that we had was $53 in the past 6 months. But again, as you can see, this is the lowest point that NIO has been. But let me show you in the past 1 year, and this is the reason why I do think that NIO is a good buy at this potential in time. When you look in the past 1 year, this stock has been as high as $62.84. Its 52-week high is actually $67, which did happen in pre and post market hours. But if you look at its lows, now if you look in the past 1 year, its low was on May 13th at $31.22. We are again experiencing that low right now. This stock has been beaten down so much. I do think that it is at its lowest point right now. If it does go any lower, I do not think it will go that much lower. So your potential risk, in my opinion, is not that big. But it is still having those concerns of the Chinese regulations, the delisting, again, which I do not think that these will happen. But again, put these on your watch list. But I do definitely think that NIO stock has a huge upside potential. And I did just want to transition and show you what the analysts are saying about NIO. We've had 9 analysts review the NIO stock. 8 are giving it a buy, 1 a hold, which does give it an average of a strong buy. In the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, they are forecasting that this stock can go up to $60.67, which gives us a 102% upside from now. The highest price target of all of these analysts is $87. The lowest price target is $45 in the next 12 months. If you're getting this stock right now at $30, even for the lowest price target of $45, you have a huge upside potential to increase your money. This is why I'm very bullish on this stock moving forward. I definitely think that it has great potential. If we do look at Wallet Investor does use its technical analysis and past trading history on to see how this stock can do. But according to Wallet Investor, it does have a potential the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, to go up to $55.50 in the next 5 years, $140. So huge potentials in this stock. I definitely think that NIO should be on your watch list. In my own opinion, please always do your own research, as I am not your financial advisor, but I definitely think that this is a very nice buy. If you can get this stock, I have been saying under $40, it is almost going under $30. This is a steal of a deal, in my opinion, if you hold this stock. But definitely there are still those potential risks, which are because it is a Chinese-based company and a lot of political and geopolitical environment right now that is talking a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But it right now is a lot of fear. And I do definitely think when there's fear, it's great buying opportunities, because I do think that this has a great potential into the future. But if you like this video, please give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all so you can get all my videos. I did also want to tell you about the very nice promotions I do have. Down below, if you use my link to Moomoo right now, if you open an account, put in any amount of money, you get 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. I have had viewers write me that they did get Apple stock, Tesla stock, and Amazon stock. So don't forget to try yours. If you put in $100 or more, we'll get you a chance to get a free iPhone 13 Pro. So please take advantage of that, as this is a Christmas special, using my link only. Also, if you deposit $2,000 or more into this account, it can grant you 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500, for a total of 5 free stocks. Please take advantage of that, as these promotions will not last long. I also do have promotions down below to Webull. If you open an account, put in any amount of money, you get up to 5 free stocks. So definitely take advantage of these links as they will not last long. I do also have Get Upside. It's an app that will give you back money anytime you buy gas, anytime you go out to eat, get restaurants or groceries, will give you cash back. Use my link down below. Use that promo code each time you buy gas, food, or go out to restaurants. But I hope you like this video. I greatly appreciate all your support. Don't forget to share this video with others, your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor. Well, thank you so much for watching my videos. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to go out there and make some money, but most importantly, enjoy life, enjoy your family and your friends, and happy holidays to each and every one of you. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.